my city. I listen to everything. I just stumbled upon this one new song. I don't know. I've been listening to it, but I just started paying attention to the words. Check this out. Tell me if y'all hear what I hear.
Little broke ass nigga. That dumbass shirt on, nigga. That dumbass shirt and that dumbass hat, nigga. You look broke as a bitch, nigga. You look fucked up, nigga. My mama, nigga. Watch this shit though. You mad? Hey, this little chicken. I remember I was a little pigeon. Had the hoes like eating chicken biscuits. Remember I was fucked up, no food in the kitchen. Why the fuck you think a nigga named Lil Chicken? Me and Max getting back in a Honda Civic. Hell no, it ain't mine, but it ain't rented. It's my mama car, nigga, but she got a tinny. And she let me drive it on the weekend grid. YPN, bitch. No, I can't rap. I'm your landlord and I cook up crack. Can I rap? Never. Still ain't getting better. Roof off in the winter. Fuck the weather. Damn. There ain't no money. YPN Dougie. Paid and I'm chubby. Paid for the pussy. She don't care that I'm ugly. Cause I'm a paid nigga and her boyfriend Dusty. First off, I'm a boss, baby. I don't gotta rap good grades up to high school. I don't gotta trap fake lean. I said Tylenol. I don't gotta nap. I'ma hit her once, then I'll call her back. Murray boys, all we rap about is high speeds. You don't know how to drive and you can't ride with me. Catch me jogging around the city selling sauce, seaweed. Always using auto-tune and I can't even sing. Oh. Chapo. Hey. Swear to God. You got that dumbass hat on, huh? Mad as a bitch. Broke as hell, boy. Hey. Disrespect the Swinner boys. Get your feelings hurt. Big ass gut poking out of my Fendi shirt. Sold his ass some fake lean in a brick of dirt. Packing Newports for a feature, we can make it work. That dumbass hat, nigga. Broke ass nigga.